Hey, what's up guys, Josh here, and today I wanted to make another quick little video on something that I was pretty excited about. So if you aren't aware, WWDC 19 just took place a few days ago on Monday, and that's when they announced some of the new hardware changes with the Mac Pro, and they also announced the new operating systems too, and exactly what you can do with that. But even if you're not too technical with that, one of the things that I was really excited about too with it was the fact that they are announcing a new Pride band this year. So they started doing that a few years ago and they've been redoing it every year since then. But I placed my order as soon as the keynote ended, and today I just got that box in. So this is the box right here, and I'm going to just walk through it with you guys and just compare it to last year's and everything too. And I hope you enjoy that.
So this is the box that everything came in, and you would think that it's not too special, right? But with that little tab there, it opens up just like any other Apple product that I've ever bought before in my life. So this is it, opening up the box for the first time, and you're greeted with the band right there front and center, and it's even tied down to the box. This way it doesn't get damaged on the way back here to get to me. So then opening it up, this is it right here. It's very, very bright in person too, so once you do get your hands on it, you'll kind of see exactly how bright that is. And this is just it compared to last year's model, and there's a slight difference in size with the box, not that it really matters, but small differences. So this is it right here. We got the 44mm, and here I am just going to open it just the same way I did it with the box. That very satisfying pull tab there. Sliding it out. And here you have some instructions in case you never used one of the sport loops before. Your watch probably came with those little silicone bands just like that. But this is it front and center once you open up the packaging too. So you just flip open the tab there, and that is where you are greeted with another tab. Start pulling that thing out. And that is it. That is the unboxing right there. And this is the Pride band here for 2019. It's very, very bright. It's all just the straight up colors of the rainbow. And it looks exactly like it does on the package. Really not that much of a difference. It's very elastic, it's very comfortable. It's just like any other sport loop that you've ever seen, or if you have it already, you know exactly what to expect here. But this is very bright, it stands out a lot, and comparing it to last year's model, I am a lot happier with this design compared to last year's. And this is how it looks, just side by side with the boxes and everything. Underneath the bands, it also shows which year the Pride band was designed, so you can kind of keep track of that if you have it as like a collector's item too. But then throwing it onto these watches, this is how it looks on the gold stainless steel Series 4. And again, this is going to be the 44mm size. Just looking at it all around, it is gorgeous, especially with that Pride face on the watch now. And what you can do too is you can tap on the screen, and then you'll see the Pride band start to animate and everything for you too. And here you can see it with the gold aluminum base. And in just a moment I'm going to show off what it looks like with the space gray. But this is the 2019 Pride band in the sport loop style, and I was very excited to order this, and I got one as well for my best friend too. And I cannot wait to go out and wear this one for Pride. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely comment below if you are going to be getting this this year. If you got last year's, let me know which one you like more and which watch face you are wearing this with too. But if you are new to my channel, definitely subscribe. This way you can watch future videos that I make. And I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, thanks so much. Have a great day.